Hello, welcome to my room. Okay, so first things first, we have Mei. She comes to my room very often, and I'll show you guys this corner first. Okay, so in this corner we have this box, and below it we have like random snacks and shit, and like random stuff that I received that I can't be bothered like storing away yet, so it's just kind of my lazy box here, which I placed here because it used to be in the back of my room, and then people kept coming to my streams asking what it is and whether I can play it or not, so I decided to move it here. So I'm just gonna take you guys to this corner. So over here we've got my standing mirror, and this is where I like after I put clothes on I can take selfies or see how the fit looks. Got a little mat here, and then some of my charging cables, and usually I also have like this big like light, ring light that I use to sometimes lit up the streaming space if there's not enough light, but took it out today because it's too cramped. And then here I've got my wardrobe. It's a bit messy at the moment, so probably when when I've cleaned up this area, because it's actually spring now in Melbourne, so I probably have to take out the winter clothes and whatnot. So yeah, I'll show you guys maybe a wardrobe tour some other time. And then if you come over here, we have another wardrobe section. This is all the winter, like cold, heavy layer clothing, and I've got all this random shit at the top. So like most of it is just like tech stuff and some bags. So over here we've got this little aesthetic corner just for like a quick night out, you know, some small bag, and then extra blankets. And then on the side here I've just got my plushie collection with Ryan in the middle being my favorite, and then Natalie's, which I use usually at night time to light up the room. I'll show you guys like what my room looks like at night later on. And if we keep going towards this side, we get to my bedside table. And on this side I have my bedside table, which has a little bedside lamp and humidifier, so at night I like to put in, like my mom likes to put in actually, essential oils and stuff. And then I've got just my daily use skincare over here. What else do I have? And then I've just got like a little rubbish bin, and then my bed. And that's pretty much all of this corner, so I'm just going to take you guys over here now. So here I've just got like a drawer that I got from IKEA heater, because the heating in my room is pretty bad, so normally I feel like we can't really feel the heater in my room in winter, so I've got this one instead. And then I've just got some perfume that I hardly use now. I think this is the battery. This is like a speaker, but it also lets you like choose pixel drawing and shit. But I think it's a bit out of battery right now, so you can't really see it. So you can also customize the pixels, the drawings on here, and you can like make it louder, softer, play music, connect to your phone, etc. And then I have my little drinking station with soju and some spare water. This is my favorite part of the room because it has, I need to restock this, but it has like different types of snacks in here. Ooh, I'm gonna have some of this tonight. I mean this afternoon. So here's my snack drawer. And then in here, just got my skirts and some scarves. Probably won't show you everything because there's like my undies and everything, you know, so. That is, if you want to subscribe to my OnlyFans, I'll show you guys the bottom 3 drawers. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to my table. So here I've got my little trolley, and if you guys followed me like when I first started streaming or first started filming YouTube videos, you can see this in like my other room as the background a lot. It just hasn't changed that much. It's got this mini Bluetooth speakers that a lot of people ask about. I bought this on Taobao or Taobao, like whatever you want to call it. I don't know where the link is anymore. And then I've got, this is also from Taobao, a lot of people have asked, and it's just got, it just holds like all my earrings. It's very handy. More earrings, some rings. I need to clean that a little bit. And this is my sister's glasses that she's got here. And then at the bottom we've got where I store my nail polishes, etc. and just like random jewelry that I cannot store anywhere else. and that is a perfect view of the outside world. Okay, so over here is where I have my computer, my PC, and where I normally work and stream as well as game. So here I've got my phone charging. So this desk here, OmniDesk or Aftershock actually came over and set up the desk for me, and I'll insert a clip of them setting up the desk for me. It's a standing desk, so quite handy because I pretty much sit and work or stream or game here all day, and most of the time my legs are like just cramping. So having a standing desk kind of helps me because it helps fix my posture and doesn't make me sit all day, and I can kind of move my legs when I play games or work or anything. And over here I've got the Aftershock mouse mat, my drink bottle, hydro flask, which is very handy if you stream, by the way, because then you don't have to run to the kitchen as often. And here I've just got like some commonly used products like my Invisalign elastics and Chewy lip products, and some hair oil, makeup brushes. And then over here I've just got some vitamin D oil. Vitamin D, it's like a droplet thing because I don't go out and get enough sun exposure. Got some nail oil. What is this? This is a face mist. This is some hair collagen mask. So over here we have this really cool power adapter thing that came with the OmniDesk. You can actually get it installed, and you can click on this button and it actually lowers if you have nothing plugged in. You can also put your phone on top of here to charge if your phone has that functionality, and then you can also just like put in all your laptop chargers, iPad chargers, etc. here. It's very, very handy. I think one of my favorite features of the desk. And then I've got my two screens for gaming and working. Over here I have my Logitech G915 TKL keyboard. It's a wireless keyboard. I feel like you can type pretty quickly with them, and it also reacts quite quickly. I really like the look of it. It's very aesthetic. I really like white, so it matches my overall vibe. I've got a spare keyboard there that I kind of use interchangeably because sometimes this runs out of battery, and when this is charging I use that one over there, which is the Ampro 2 my friend got for me. This is an Aftershock mouse. And then I've got some tissues here because I always like dripping food on my table or drinks on my table. Here I just have my Logitech webcam. This is the, I think it's called the C933, can't remember exactly. I'll put it in the links. And then my trustworthy Elgato key light, which I have to use to light up the room when I stream. Over here I have my stream deck, which is quite handy if you stream. You can use it to change scenes, make the music louder, softer, skip songs, etc. And then lastly over here we have, this is the Razer Siren microphone. And then up here I've got this like USB kind of like splitter, so you can use you can plug in more USBs than your PC comes with. And then just like a clock, which isn't plugged in at the moment, but I'll show you guys at night. And then if you look down here, there's my wireless headset, which I use when I play Valorant because I need, you know, the better sound. I don't know why that's here, but I've got my hair curler, and then my half broken earphones, and my gaming chair. So yeah, this is pretty much my workstation or gaming station. Oh, and I forgot to mention my iPad there and a mirror. So the iPad is like what I use to sometimes take notes or draw emotes or just draw for fun. Got a bin, and this is this OmniDesk like standing mat. It really helps to kind of reduce, I guess, the tension you feel in your legs when you're standing and using this desk as a standing desk. And I just got that there because it's just a old box that I don't use anymore because the chair's a bit too high for my legs to fully reach the ground, so I just put that there. And yeah, so this is my desk. So this is what my room looks like at night after I turn off all the lights and just leave the LED lights on and this alarm clock turned on. But yeah, overall I've got this like white and purple aesthetics going on because purple is my favorite color. And yeah, so at night I like to just play games with all my lights turned off except for the LED lights. It just makes me feel like I play better, you know. This is what my bed looks like at night. At night I like to hop into bed, turn off all the lights and just like scroll through TikTok or my social media, etc. and just relax in this purpley space here. And it's also a really nice kind of mood to watch movies. But yeah, so this is pretty much my room tour.